Every deal has a lot going on: documents, deadlines, people. DocHub Rooms bring it all together in one secure workspace, so nothing gets lost and your deal keeps moving. To set one up, you'll need a DocHub Organization on the Pro plan. If you haven't created one yet, our Organizations video walks you through it. Once that's set, you're ready to create your first room. Name it, choose the type, real estate or custom, and you're in. Set up the basics in the Details tab. Rename your room, update the status, and add a quick description so everyone's aligned. Then add your documents. Upload from your device, pull from cloud storage, or create new ones from scratch. Next, bring in your team. Assign roles like admin, content manager, agent, or viewer, so everyone has the right level of access, from viewing and editing documents to managing the entire room. With everything in place, it's time to put the deal in motion. Create a task, give it a title like Sign Closing Documents, add a quick description, assign it to the right person, and set a due date. Attach any documents that need action, the task is ready to go. And as work moves forward, the Activity tab tracks it all so you always know where the deal stands. One room per deal. Everything organized, nothing slipping through. Try DocHub Rooms.